Bismillah. In the past 4 lectures, I have explained the writing of Alif-Hamza to Zaay as they are seen when joined with other letters to form words. Now I shall give you an example of a word which is formed from 3 of the letters that I have explained. This word, as you can see, starts with harful ba, and on the ba is a fatha, and that is ba fatha ba. The ba is joined to a dal, which also has a fatha, and that is dal fatha da. The dal is not joined to the letter after it, as I've explained to you that it is never written like that. And the last letter at the end of the word is Alif-Hamza. The Alif-Hamza is standing alone because of its position and the letter before it, and it has a fatha, which gives it the sound a. That is Alif-Hamza fatha a. So altogether you have ba da a. Again, the word is ba da a. Ba da a means it started. For example, if I say bada al-waladu qira'at al-Qur'an min surat al-fil, this means the boy started the reading of the Quran from Surah al-Fil. Another example, bada al-rajulu al-amala mubakkira, the man started the work early. So the word again is bada'a. So spell this word again on your own and practice writing it in your notebooks. So I continue with the explanation of the shapes of the letters and words in the coming lectures. Wassalamu alaikum.